Most English speakers get this French question wrong. Will you? Are you ready for this quiz? Let's start learning French for beginners. Which sentence is correct? Je suis faim. J'ai faim. Je ai faim. B. In French, hunger uses avoir, not être. J'ai faim. How do you say hello in French? Formal. Salut, bonjour, bonsoir. Answer B. Bonjour is the formal way to say hello during the day. Which one means I don't understand? Je ne sais pas, je ne comprends pas, je suis compris. B. Je ne comprends pas. I don't understand. What's the French word for apple? Poire, pomme, pain. B. Pomme, apple. Which one means how are you? Informal. Comment allez-vous? Ça va? Qui êtes-vous? B. Ça va is the informal way to ask how are you? What does je suis désolé mean? I'm sleepy, I'm sorry, I'm ready. B. Désolé means sorry. How do you say thank you very much? Merci beaucoup. Très merci. Merci très. A. Merci beaucoup. Thanks a lot. Which sentence is correct? Il est 30 ans. Il a 30 ans. Il fait 30 ans. B. Age uses avoir. Il a 30 ans. How do you say my name is in French? Je m'appelle, je suis, mon nom est. A. Je m'appelle, my name is. Which one means good night? Bonne nuit, bonsoir, bonjour. A. Bonne nuit is said before going to sleep. What does pain mean in French? Pain, bread, cheese. B. Pain in French means bread. How do you say where's the bathroom? Où est la salle de bain? Quelle est la toilette? Où va la douche? A. Où est la salle de bain? Where's the bathroom? Which of these is a color? Roux, rouge, route. B. Rouge, red. Which one means I love you? Je t'aime. J'aime toi. Tu aimes moi. A. Je t'aime is the correct form. What is cat in French? Chien, chat, chou. B. Chat, cat, chien, dog, chou, cabbage. How do you say I'm learning French? Je parle français, j'apprends le français, je lis français. B. Apprendre, to learn. Which one means what time is it? Quelle heure est-il? Quel jour est-il? Où est le temps? A. Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Which article fits with école, school? Le école, l'école, la école. B. B before a vowel, le or la becomes l'apostrophe. What does je suis fatigué mean? I'm late. I'm tired. I'm hungry. B. Fatigué, tired. Which one means see you soon? À demain. À tout à l'heure. À bientôt. C. À bientôt, see you soon. Which verb means to go? Avoir, aller, être. B. Aller means to go. Choose the correct negation. Je pas mange, je ne mange pas, je ne pas mange. B. French negation, non, verbe pas. What's cheese in French? Lait, fromage, viande. B. Fromage, cheese. Lait, milk. Viande, meat. What does il fait chaud mean? It's hot. It's raining. It's sunny. A. Il fait chaud. It's hot. What do you say? Goodbye. Allô? Salut. Au revoir. C. Au revoir is a standard goodbye. What's the plural of un livre? A book. Le livre, des livres, une livre. B. Des livres, some books. Il est, ils sont, il est. B. Ils sont, they are. What does je veux mean? I see, I want, I go. B. Je veux, I want. Which one means I live in Paris? Je vis Paris. J'habite à Paris. Je reste Paris. B. Habiter à is the correct way to say I live in. Which is a feminine noun? Le livre, la maison, le chien. B. Maison, house, is feminine, uses la. How was that, my friends? Great, not bad, Not good. Please comment it for me. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you want to see more videos, here's the link. Thanks for watching.